We are going to look at completing a DNA request form. This is the new form for the DNA requests. You'll need to complete the member information on the left-hand side here, as well as the number of samples you're submitting, date of submission, and your member ID, the 6 numbers for your member ID. When you scroll down, it's very similar to the previous DNA request form. You'll have your sample barcode here for your hair sample or TSU. In the next column, you select what sample you're submitting. The animal ID is the tattoo for the animal. Registration number is your herd letters and the tattoo, for example, ABC S21 for the animal. The ICAR number is the electronic ID allocated to the animal at registration. This can be found in the animal search on the website or in the animal's profile. Next, you'll need the sex and date of birth for the animal, and we have 3 test columns here. All of the test codes can be found on the Shorthorn beef website under DNA services. If you're unsure of the best test for your animal, you can contact the registrars as well to chat through that process. If you're wanting to have parent verification done, you will need to complete these columns here. So the sire ident and case number for its DNA profile, as well as the dam ident and the case number for her DNA profile. If you're unsure of the sire of the animal or the dam, you can select multiple to be tested in parent verification. You will need to go to the parent nominations tab at the bottom of this form here. When you click on that, it will bring up this spreadsheet where you can enter multiple sire idents, multiple dam idents and their case number. In this column, you would just say see sire list or see dam list, and that way they can check this for the parent verification. Once you've completed this form, email a copy to the registrar inbox. This is the email address here if you're unsure of the email address. After you've done that, the registrars will check and confirm that that form is right to print and post with your samples direct to CGEN. CGEN's new address is listed on this form here. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to call or email the registrars.